promise, after this, Sam, we'll
needs
play.
to go to bed.
And then it's going to be bed. That's what I needed. Okay. Hi. I'm not obsessed with the Coast Guard. At all.
Says the guy in the Coast Guard shirt that spent the last 2 hours building a
Probably
Coast Guard
about
helicopter out of Legos.
Coast Guard, Coast Guard, Coast Guard.
Oh my gosh.
We have an emergency. We have people in the water. Okay, get the hair off the back. Okay. We need to drop the bear hook. Roger that. We've reached door speed. Open the door. Can you open the door, Sam? Send down the bear hook. Get the rescue swimmer in the water. Why does he look like a Jedi Knight? We can't get the basket out the door, Bob. There's a giant hand. We're gonna run out of fuel, Bob.
I got it!
We got the basket out. Yay! Now we're not gonna be able to get back in. All right, rescue the people. Yeah, squeeze them in sideways. Prepare to recover, swimmer.
Fell out.
Close the door. Fold up the bear hook. Return on station. Roger that. Mission successful. Go Coast Guard.